Hi! Today we are going to knit the rest of the heel and start knitting the second sock. The heel is knitted in the same way as the toes. So first knit 3 rounds of knit stitches. After that, start knitting the decreases. On the first needle, knit a stitch, slip, slip, knit, and then knit until you get to the last 3 stitches of the second needle. Knit 2 stitches together and knit the last stitch. On the third needle, knit a stitch, slip, slip, knit, and then knit until you get to the last 3 stitches of the fourth needle. Knit 2 stitches together and knit the last stitch. Continue decreasing like this while knitting some rounds of knit stitches in between until you are down to 8 stitches in total. I will show you the last round of decreasing. You can now just close the heel the same way as you did with the toes, and you're done. To knit the second sock, continue using the strand of yarn that comes from inside the ball. For that, you will have to pull out quite a lot of yarn until the yarn turns back to yellow, which is where the pattern for the cuff and eventually the kind of magic spots start again. See, this is where the yarn changes back to yellow. As with the first sock, find the spot where the yarn starts changing from yellow to white and cut the yarn. After that, just repeat everything we did for the first sock, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video series. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.